Hey guys, folks, guys and gals. Hopefully I got some gals watching the channel too. Here's the pieces of our pattern that we cut out a month ago. I wound up getting having an episode of gout. I've had it before. Usually hasn't been a big deal. I take a couple of medications and it gets rid of it within a few days. Not this time. Been a month. So we changed the medications and that's it. So I'm going to take my pattern and I'm going to try to execute this as well as I can so I make the best use of my leather. Now if I do that there, I still don't have enough room. But we'll put that there. Just kind of an odd shaped piece here. Alright. So we'll set this one right here. I want to make the best use of the leather that I can without compromising the structure of the project here. There's a clamp mark here and I want to make sure that I'm not going to get those there, nothing I can do about them kind of deal. So we'll put this one. This piece is. Just go ahead and draw my line down there. And we'll cut that off. And everything should work out just fine. And I'll set my pattern pieces aside. Grab a ruler. And start cutting. I'm trying not to let anything go to waste here. I'm going to finish cutting these out, and I'll be back for some little bits. Pieces cut out. I am going to put a snap closure on it. So this piece that we cut out from the center there is going to make that snap closure, and I'm going to try to put a pencil loop on it. The only reason I wanted to get that cut is so that I have it for to go with the other pieces here. Most of this I'm going to dye now, and I decided I was going to do this one black. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I thought about doing a dark brown. It would come out something like that color. Which, believe it or not, those two pieces are the same color. The dark brown really darkens up after you put a finish on it. So, maybe, I think I will do that dark brown. Since I got that sitting out too on this for this other project I'm working on. Get me a piece of paper to lay out. Prescription bottles, sometimes they work for other stuff. I'll just start setting them aside. Now I'm trying to be a little erratic with some of this because I want to leave a, if it's going to have a texture to it, I guess I'd call it, I don't want it to look like it's streaks. Alright, now we gotta let some of this dry so that we can see what it's gonna look like. Already, this is that strap and it's lightened up quite a lot. So, all we can do now is wait. I will get back to you. I'll probably put another coat of dye on here, and that'll be it. It's about one more coat. And then I will also dye the inside parts. That way everything will look nice and it'll look nice. And then I'll tan coat the inside after the dye is on so that it protects it somewhat. So I'll be back when I get to that point.